Good morning to all. I am Sundamarakannan, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, MAM School of Engineering, Trichy. Today we are discuss about power transients. Transients, causes of transients, subdivision points. First point, internal causes. Second point, external causes. So define transients. Sudden change in a system condition for small period of time. Electrical transients are momentary bursts of energy induced upon power, data, or communication lines. They are characterized by extremely high voltages that drive tremendous amount of current into an electrical circuits for a small period of time. In graphical representation, voltage in y-axis, x in x-axis time. The voltage spikes will be represented. That is called transients. Importance of the study of transients. The power system transients is the outward manifestation of a sudden change in system conditions, as when a switch opens or closes or fault occurs on a system. The transient period is very short and they causes over voltages on power system. Transients are surges caused by switching and by lightning striking a transmission lines. The transient over voltages causes insulation breakdown of the equipment in the power system. In extreme case, this may disable a machine, shut down a plant, or block out a city. In order to avoid this problem, our circuit must sustain that condition for the transient analysis on the system is important. Causes or sources of transients. Internal causes. First point, switching surges. Second one, insulation failure. Third one, arcing ground. Then external causes. First point, lightning. Internal causes. Internal causes do not produce a transient of large magnitude. It may increase the system voltage to twice the normal value. By providing proper insulation of the equipment, the switching transients are taken care. This circuit, the circuit changes may happen normally because of switching of breaker, such as opening and closing of circuit breakers or maybe fault condition. Switching surges caused by making and breaking of circuit with the switchgear in power system having large inductance and capacitance. Switching surges can occur during the operation of circuit breaker and line switch opening, tripping and closing at the same substation. In general, switching surges occurs in the vicinity of non-self-restoring insulation equipment such as generator, transformer, breakers and cables. This is happened under following situations. The first point, interruption of low inductive current, that is called current chopping. Interruption of low capacitance current, that is called switching of unloader line. Third one, ferroresonance condition. Then fourth one, energization of load line. Current chopping. When the low inductive current such as magnetizing current of transformer, shunt reactors are interrupted by breaker, there is rapid deionization of contact space and may cause the current to the interrupted before its neutral zero. This phenomena is called current chopping. Note that point. Magnetizing current is the total current that flows into the primary of transformer when the transformer is energized at a specific voltage and frequency with the second raised open circuited. Current chopping results in high voltage transient across the air blast circuit breaker. When breaking a low current, unloaded transformer or reactor magnetizing current, powerful deionizing effect of air blast causes current evaporate to zero before natural zero. This phenomena is known as current chopping. The transient due to current chopping is eliminated by resistance switching. The graphical representation for current chopping, normal condition, natural current is zero. So there is no distortion in the current value. It may be fault occur in the condition. So it will be represented for the change in magnitude to normal recovery voltage. The next, switching operations of unloaded line. When the loader line is connected to voltage source, a voltage wave is set up which travels along the line. When it reaches the terminal point, it's reflected back to the supply end without change in sign. This causes voltage doubling. So voltage is twice that normal value. This over voltage is only for short duration because the line losses attenuate the wave. Similarly, when the line is disconnected, the voltage reaches to root of 2E for a moment of before it settled down to nominal value. Ferroresonance conditions. Ferroresonance or nonlinear resonance is a type of resonance in electrical circuits which occurs when the circuit containing a nonlinear inductance is fed from a source that has a series capacitance and the circuit is subjected to a disturbance such as opening of a switch. Inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. Circuit actually as a purely resistive and power factor is unity. At normal condition, capacitance of transmission line is low, so that the resonance occurred rarely at nominal frequency. When generated EMF is the resonance occurred due to higher order harmonics. This phenomena is known as ferroresonance because inductance is ion core. Energization of load line. If the load line is suddenly interrupted, the voltage is 2I. I means instantaneous value of current, and Zs means will be represented for the I is the instantaneous value of current. Impedance Zs is equal to root of L by C. Insulation failure. Most common causes of transient over voltages in power system is the insulation failure between line and earth, which causes high voltages in the system. Suppose a line potential V is earthed at point C. The earthing of the line causes two equal voltages. It will be represented for the diagram. CA and CB containing currents minus Vzn and plus Vz suffix n respectively. Both current passes through C, earth to earth, so that current to earth is 2V divided by Z. Arcing ground. If the natural of three phases wires was not earthed in long high voltage transmission line, a serious problem called arcing ground is produced. The arcing ground produces severe oscillation of 3 to 4 times normal voltage. The phenomena of intermediate arc taking place in line to ground fault of a three-phase system with the consequent production of transient is known as arcing ground. Arcing ground can be prevented by earthing the neutral. Thank you.